How to get Prime membership in Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get your Prime membership in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Prime membership and Prime Video is a little bit different thing. Under Prime membership you have Prime Video, Prime Music and so on, while in Prime Video you only have Prime Video and not all the Prime benefits. But when you subscribe for Prime Video you also get all the other Prime benefits, such as whenever you have Amazon Prime, which means you get all the Prime benefits of Amazon, which is Amazon Prime Music, Amazon Prime Video and so on. If you want to get all of these features, it is very simple. Just open your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Again, I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime, as you can clearly see here. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Now right over here you'll find new members try 30 days free trial, so just tap on this yellow button that says try 30 days. Now you can log into your existing free Amazon account that you have, or you can choose to create a new Amazon account if you do not have an Amazon account. Now in this case, since I'm already logged in, I'll simply go ahead and log into one of my existing Amazon account, as you would be able to find it here. Once I log into my existing Amazon account over here, so let me go ahead and do that. All you need to do is just tap the sign in option. If you have turned on two-factor authentication, of course it's going to ask you to verify that as well. It will also ask you to verify the CAPTCHA, so go ahead and do that, and now just tap the continue option. Then it will send the verification code to your email. Make sure you also verify with the code, and once you've done this, just tap the submit code option, and then you'll be logged into your Amazon account. Now in order to subscribe to Amazon Prime, here you'll see all of these benefits, where you have to simply select a payment method first, such as you can add a credit or debit card, or you can also use a gift card when available, or you can choose to add a Venmo account. So you can just enter the gift card number, tap on apply, or make sure to add a credit or debit card. Once you've done that and you've entered your payment details, tap on add and continue, and then your Prime membership on Amazon will be successfully activated. This way you can get your Amazon Prime in Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.